Yo, so this your boy Nigga Butts, you know. We just trying to tell you how we do it up here in Lipa City. So I thought I'd show you inside my crib, nigga. Come on in, baby. Yeah. So you know, we're here up at our crib, man. Our crib is nice, boy. This place is huge. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So first we get over here, man. This is a subwoofer, nigga. Where you seen this in the Philippines, bro? We got our speakers, you know, we bumping that bar, you know. We got the mirror, you know. We got the Lipa Zone, man. We got the 2 bosses, 2 kings, and all our slaves, nigga. Yeah, they be sniffing our cornholes. Yeah, we got the iron. Yeah, we're making our shirts. Our clothes look all real fresh. Yeah, let's go on over to the kitchen, alright? Let's go over here to the kitchen, nigga. Yeah, boy, let's see what's all up in our fridge. Bam, nigga, look at all that Gatorade. And y'all ain't never seen so much Gatorade. Those 1.5 liters, boy. Yeah, we got the cow's milk. We got the guiltless chocolate. Dang, nigga. Yeah, boy, you got like the old cheese ring, fish and butter. Anyways, let's go out to the backyard, alright? Yeah, man. We got my durian. Yes, the guy look for hammock, boy. Yeah, this is my durian. Yeah, we love the durian. So, I'm gonna take y'all over here. I don't know if you can see on the camera. We got a new species growing in here. That crap is green. That stuff was white before, man. My boy Guy, he went and crapped himself, threw his shorts up in the water, and it's fetching green. We got like worms in there, man. It's just gross, dude. We got like anyways. Alright, so let's go back on inside. Back over here, I'm gonna show you in our bathroom. Yeah, our bathroom be pretty fly, yo. Bam! Yeah, our bathroom, we ain't got no light. The shower don't work. Neither does the toilet. Hey. Yeah, we hate the bathroom. Why don't I even show you that? Alright, so let's go on over here to the cuarto, nigga. Yeah, this is where we sleep. Wait, before that, bang! Look at all our Gatorade bottles. Yeah, we love Gatorade, boy. Woo! Yes, we get on over here to the cuarto. Yeah, we got, bang! That's an electric fan, nigga. That is high tech. Got the electric fan here. We got the boxing gloves. My nigga Vandermide, my nigga Vandy, he gave me these boxing gloves, but man, that nigga, he ain't with us no more. And he in a better place. A better place called America, and it's away from Lipa City in the fetching Philippines. So anyway, you know, next I'm gonna take you over to the gym. Take you over to the motherfucking gym. Yeah, boy, take you to the gym. We only got 1 barbell. It is only 1 weight. So if you be a strong nigga, you gotta lift that thing like 500 times, man, to get your workout. But you know, it's chill. And yeah, boy, that's how we do it up here in Lipa City. We roll real hard, bro. Peace.